Child, I done went to Sephora and lost my mind. Y'all, this is literally a dream come true. I done went to Sephora and balled out, and I can't wait to show you guys everything that I bought. But first, shout out to Sephora for sponsoring this video. Now let's get into it.
All about natural beauty, yeah, slim Reshae.
I love Sephora. So when they was like, girl, tell us your Sephora faves, you know I had to do it. So I went to Sephora, I got the goods, I got some new things, I got some restocks, and some holy grails. As y'all know, every good makeup look starts with the skin. So let's do some skincare first. As I'm getting older, investing in my skincare is one of my top priorities, so I was really excited to try out this Youth to the People exfoliating cleanser. This product has vitamin C in it, which gets me excited because vitamin C helps brighten up the skin. And when I tell you, after I rinsed my face, my skin was so tight, like I felt so youthful, okay? So I was really feeling this cleanser. Then I went in with the Dewy Skin Dazzlers kit. This kit comes with a few of my favorites from Glow Recipe, and I started off with the niacinamide dewdrops. If you know, you know, this product right here will have your skin glowing and looking so radiant. And I topped it off with the Ultra Mist, which this was very refreshing. And then I got the Peter Thomas Roth eye patches. Y'all, this was my first time trying their eye patches, and so I had to use the 24 karat gold one. And this was so like nourishing under my eyes. I feel like it woke me up. And then of course we can't leave out the lips when it comes to skincare. I took the Topicals lip balm, which is something I use on the daily to keep my lips nice and juicy. Now let's get into this makeup. Of course, I'm starting off with my brows, and this brow wax from Sephora collection literally is amazing. Like, I was so impressed by how my brow hairs were laid down with this brow wax, and like they didn't move, and I didn't have to wait for them to dry down before I went in and started doing my brows. So after I took off the eye patches, my skin is looking so good, y'all. So I knew this application was about to be amazing. I went back in with the Hue Drops as a primer and just applied this to my face. It adds a little bit more of that bronzy glow underneath your makeup. And then I'm taking my eyebrow pencil. This is from Sephora collection as well. I'm telling you, if y'all have not tried their products, they are amazing. I also got this Best Skin Ever. This is the color corrector, and a little goes a long way. Don't do like me, y'all. I applied so much. I literally applied a dot to every dark mark I had, and this product stretches so well. So while that gets tacky, I'm cleaning up my brows with the Lancome concealer. Y'all, this is one of my favorite concealers, like top 2 for sure. And I'm also using some brushes from Sephora as well. All of the products and tools that I used in today's video will be in the description box below, so make sure you check that out to shop these products. But y'all, look at how full coverage this color corrector is. You literally can use one dot and cover up all of your dark marks. You do not have to do as much as I did, but I went ahead and set this with my one size setting powder just so this color corrector does not budge when we go in with our face products. Now I'm taking this bronzer stick from Rare Beauty. I typically use Always Sunny, but this is the shade Good Energy, and I was really excited about trying this shade because I feel like it gives more of that natural warmth. Now I know you're looking like, girl, is this gonna come to form? But I'm telling you, it's gonna come together so nicely. I'm using this Makeup by Mario brush to blend out my bronzer, and if you do not have this brush, go get it. You need this brush in your collection. I'm taking my Patrick Ta foundation. This is a new foundation and I've been loving it lately. It gives me soft glam, so we're going all in today. I'm taking my Sephora collection. This is the foundation brush and blending out the foundation. As you can see, the coverage is there. The color corrector did its job because none of those dark marks are peeking through. The blend is just so flawless. So I'm just doing tapping motions to blend in this foundation, blending it over that underpainting that we did. And now I'm going in with my concealer. I'm taking that Lancome concealer and placing it under my eyes, and also going in with the Best Skin Ever concealer from Sephora collection to brighten up my inner corners and kind of lift the edges of my eyes. Y'all, I don't know how many times I gotta say it, but I'm gonna keep saying it. Sephora collection is that girl. So going back in with that Makeup by Mario brush on the smaller end to blend out my concealer. Now I know y'all see it. The makeup is blending like butter. I'm taking this concealer brush to precisely blend out the under eye concealer, but then going back in with my Makeup by Mario brush to just make sure everything is blending in seamlessly. So far, I'm loving how all of these products have been working together. Look at how radiant the skin is. And now it's time for blush. I'm using this Danessa Myricks Blurring Balm Powder Flushed in the shade Bellini. That's so pretty. This is such a pretty color. I've been containing my excitement about how this look is coming along this entire video, but it looks amazing. Now I've been letting the Sephora collection concealer get a little bit tacky so we can get max opacity for the coverage. I absolutely love the Sephora collection concealer. It is hands down one of my favorite concealers at Sephora. I literally use it almost every time I do my makeup. Just gently blending this out under the eye. And then going back in with my brush from Makeup by Mario. Look at that flawless under eye. If you have not tried the Sephora concealer or the Lancome concealer that I used, you should definitely get your hands on it ASAP, because when you let it get tacky and dry down, like it just, it's so flawless. And it blends so easily. Like you can let it dry down and it's still like blendable, which I love. We're coming to form. It looks so beautiful already. Now we need to set. I'm gonna go in with my One Size setting powder. This is in the shade Ultra Peach. I'm just gonna press that in under the eye. Setting everywhere where I put concealer. I am also gonna use this up under my cheekbones to kind of reverse contour. I have this beautiful NARS bronzer. This is in the shade Laguna 6. And taking my Makeup by Mario brush, just setting my bronzer. Ooh. She's cute. And I'm gonna take a little bit of that and just set my nose contour. And I'm gonna take a little bit of that bronzer and just kind of drag it onto my lid. Taking my OG Sephora Micro Smooth powder, and I'm gonna use this to just kind of dust off any excess. I like to go ahead and set my face with setting spray before I apply my highlighter, and I'm gonna take the Charlotte Tilbury. This is their Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray. If you know, you know, it eats. I love drenching my face with this. As you can see, I'm well on my way to needing to restock. But this product right here is great for bringing all of those powders from setting your makeup back to life. Y'all see it. It's giving flawless. I'm gonna take this luminizer from Sephora collection. This is in the shade Blinding Bronze, and I'm gonna use this to highlight my face. For lashes, we're doing the velour extensions kit. So these are just gonna be the lashes that go up under your natural lashes. So I'm just brushing on that glue. Okay, so I did 2 coats of the glue, and I'm gonna let that get tacky. From there, you just place the lash clusters underneath your lashes from smallest to largest to give a winged effect. Oh, these are cute and they're really natural. I love. I used 5. I used 2 of the short ones, 1 medium, and 2 of the long. These lashes were very easy to apply. I did the smaller one on the inner corner and worked my way out to the larger lash clusters on the ends. Then I go ahead and let that dry down. Okay, these are lashes I love. Now I'm gonna take my Size Up mascara from Sephora collection. Y'all, I'm trying to spill the tea. One of the most slept on brands in Sephora is Sephora collection. Sephora collection has so many great products. Like, if you have not tried them, I need you to go to Sephora immediately. Lately, I've been working on my lower lash mascara game. Y'all let me know if I did a good job. I feel like lower lash mascara just wakens up the eyes and it's so pretty. Taking the Fenty Beauty, this is the Traced Out Lip Liner in the shade I Wouldn't. I love how this lip liner will apply to the lips even if you already have something on your lips. We put on the Topicals lip balm earlier to make sure my lips were nice and moisturized. So now for the lippy, I'm taking this Timecodes. This is the shade Excellence in their lip treatment oil. Again, adding a little bit more moisture, but also this is going to give us a little bit of color to our lip. Honestly, is it giving latte makeup for the fall? Fall makeup, fall glam? Y'all, this looks absolutely amazing. Let me touch up my hair and I'll be right back. Okay, y'all, this is the finished look. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this look in the comment section below. I personally think she looks good. This lip combo goes crazy. Now, of course, we couldn't in a Sephora haul without getting a fragrance. Baby, if you have not tried any of Fleur's fragrances, they are absolutely amazing. This is Vanilla Skin. It smells so good. Like, it's vanilla, but it's giving grown and sexy vanilla. Like, this is not your typical vanilla. This is vanilla scrumdiddlyumptious, okay? So if you love vanilla scents, but you're wanting something that's, you know, up the ante, that's not just a basic vanilla, this one is sensual. Like, I absolutely love this scent. I also have Missing Person, Somebody Wouldn't, Father Figure. Y'all, if you have not tried Fleur's fragrances, I'm telling you, go to Sephora, smell it, spritz it, see how it wears while you're shopping, and get it. This fragrance is one that I feel is safe to order online. If you like vanilla, you are going to like this fragrance, hands down. Like, you don't need to be guessing, oh, well, I don't know how it's gonna smell, so should I order it? Order it. Add it to the cart. Because this smells so good. Like, if you like vanilla, you're gonna like this. Now, if you're watching this, I'm sure you're probably a part of the Sephora Beauty Insider program, but if you are not, what are you waiting on? I'm gonna put a link in the description box so you can join, because you need to rack up your points for all this shopping. Now, y'all let me know if you're a Rouge member, VIB member, or an Insider, because I wanna know y'all stats. I personally am a Rouge member because I be spending all my coins at Sephora. Now, if you didn't know, the Sephora Savings event is coming up this November. So November 1st through the 11th, everybody gets 30% off Sephora collection. So that concealer, the color corrector, all of those things, you can get your hands on it for 30% off. For my Rouge members, you can get 20% off from November 1st through the 11th. Now for the VIB members, y'all get 15% off starting November 5th through the 11th. And for my insiders, Sephora got you covered too. You get 10% off from the 5th through the 11th of November. So now y'all go ahead and add these products y'all see me use today to your cart so you can shop these products during the Sephora Savings event. Of course, we don't gatekeep over here, so all of the product shade names, details, direct links will be in the description box below. So make sure you guys go ahead down there so you can check out direct links to all the products I used today. Once again, shout out to Sephora for sponsoring this video. Y'all don't know how excited I was to share all of these products with you guys because I'm a Sephora girly. So it's an honor to share with you guys my holy grail products from Sephora, as well as getting to try out a few new products that I got from my Sephora shopping spree. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any new uploads. And as always, be kind, be true, and be you till full. Bye!
It's Reshae. Reshae.